Hi guys, welcome to our channel that is See What We Show. Today we'll be doing, as we have promised in our last video, that is the in-depth video of Boat 255. So before that, please subscribe to our channel so that we can grow and we can give you more fresh contents. So guys, today we have all the three variants that is which we have from the Boat 255. That is the red, the neon and the black, all three together. We can see all the headphones, that is the red, neon and the black. It's really nice to see the red color here, and in neon the border which you can see is giving a clear view look, an elegant look, and the black always the beauty. So we'll be saying this in a two-segment video, that is the physical overview and the second is the technical overview. Let's begin with physical overview, that is the magnetic lock. It has a great magnetic lock. At any cost it will not get detached and it will provide proper safety to you. It has a great entangled wire which will not give you any problem when you keep it in the bag, and it's very lightweight. So even if you use it for 2 to 3 hours or maybe 4 hours, it will not give you any pain to your ears and it will not give you any uncomfortableness when you use it. And it's also sweat proof, so you can use it in sports, in physical activities like gym, anything you can want. So please guys, there is a massive thing which we get in this price, that is in the price of 2000 and under that. So moving on to the technical overview, that is it gives you a proper battery life, that is a battery life of 5 to 6 hours. I have used it and I confirm this also. I have used it in an intense way and it gives a pleasant sound also when I hear it, any music, any video, anything which you want in your daily life. And one more thing which I should say, that is it gives you a 45 minutes of playback when you charge for 10 minutes when it's dead. So for emergency you can use it in a very cool manner. And the second and the last point which I would say, that is the dual pairing mode which it had. It can pair with 2 devices simultaneously, that is with phone to phone and with the laptop and a phone. So even if you are using the device in one device, you get a call on the other device, you can easily use it. So no problem in that. So I suggest you this in this range because it has a very good physical overview and it has a very good technical overview. So I think you guys should go with these headphones and it will give you a pleasant music and a very comfortable feel which you get all these headphones we have. So I hope I have given you the relative information regarding this. So I hope you guys will be using these headphones in near future. You will buy it in Amazon, Flipkart and any other websites you can. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel so that we can grow and give you fresh contents. And please comment here if you have any suggestion. And please stay tuned with us with our fresh contents coming soon. Thank you.